Which flooring is the easiest to clean? Dear friends, when it comes to easy to clean flooring, some materials clearly stand out. The best flooring option is one that resists stains, handles spills well, and requires very little maintenance. Tile flooring is one of the easiest choices to clean. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are water-resistant, durable, and simple to wipe with a mop. Dirt and spills do not absorb easily, making tiles perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. Vinyl flooring is another low-maintenance option. Luxury vinyl planks and sheets are affordable, waterproof, and easy to sweep or mop. They also resist scratches and stains, making them great for busy homes with kids or pets. Laminate flooring is also easy to maintain because dust and dirt stay on the surface. Regular sweeping and occasional damp mopping are usually enough to keep it looking fresh. However, too much water can damage laminate over time. For people who want the least effort, polished concrete flooring is highly practical. It does not trap dust, requires minimal cleaning, and lasts for years with little maintenance. Hardwood floors look beautiful, but they need more care to avoid scratches and moisture damage. Carpets are usually the hardest to clean because they trap dust, stains, and allergens. Overall, tile and vinyl flooring are considered the easiest flooring types to clean because they are durable, water-resistant, and require very little daily maintenance. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.